Hello, I'm Miss Carla and this is Miss Carla's classroom. We've got another sound with 3 letters. URE says your. URE together say your. You can say that with me. Your. Well done. Doctors work very hard to find a cure for a disease. Cure. This man is very mature. Mature. This bone is broken. It has a fracture. Fracture. When you get your nails done, it's called a manicure. Manicure. Another word for animal poo is manure. Manure. A lock and key keeps your door very secure. Secure. Can you make a mixture to bake a cake? Mixture. There might be some other your words that I've forgotten. What's happened to the wheel on that car? I wonder. Now it's your turn to write the your sound. We need to write 3 letters. Under the umbrella, down and flick. Down the robot, over his arm, around the egg and down to the pan. Your. Now it's your turn to write this sound. Can you write the 3 letters nice and closely together and see how many of them you can write? Do you have everything you need to write your 3 your words? Cure. The doctor found a cure for the disease. Cure. Pure. They drank pure apple juice after lunch. That means there was nothing else in it. Pure. And your challenge word is mixture. They used a mixture of flour and water to make pizza dough. Mixture. Cure, pure, mixture. See how you go with those words. Here are the answers for you to check. Cure, your, cure. Pure, your, pure. Mixture, your, mixture. I know you did a wonderful job of those words. Fantastic. It's time to have another race. Can you beat me to say these sounds? Ear, ow, I, or, e, z, oi, a, u, o, sh, qu, ch. And this was our new sound from today. Your. You are such a superstar. Well done for your hard work today and for learning another sound. I'll see you next time. Bye.